Time for the weather now with Lara Hyams. Lara, it's been a sunny, cold and dry start to winter. Is that how the rest of it's going to play out?
Well, we actually had some mixed climate data out today. So La Nina is still active, but it is continuing to weaken. But we may be moving into a negative Indian Ocean dipole, which is sea surface temperatures on the west. Now, if that develops, we could have above average rainfall throughout the latter winter months. So the wild weather may not be over anytime soon. We got to a top of 19 degrees today. We did have some issues with the minimums at Observatory Hill, so that hasn't been recorded, but elsewhere very chilly. Camden recorded -0.3 just after 7 o'clock this morning. Cooma recorded -7 overnight, but we did have some very chilly starts across the state, so -5 just after 5:30 in Orange. Cooler temperatures too for the maximums. The northern coastal fringe recorded the highest temperature. Now, the cloud cover moving in a clockwise direction down here, that is connected to a low pressure system. So that is going to be bringing some showers to the southeast corridor, and with that we could see a strengthening of the winds. Looking to the national forecast, wet in the south and also the west, and cloudy in the north. Now we'll start to see some showers developing south of the border and some possibly near the Queensland border, but elsewhere it will be fairly dry. In the north, mostly sunny, some morning fog expected. We could be seeing the temperatures in the low 20s. On the waters, winds up to 20 knots and seas up to 1.5 metres. As we move further south, cloudy along the coast, snow throughout the alpine regions, and the temperatures in the mid-teens. Looking to the waters, winds up to 20 knots, seas up to 1.5 metres. Now, as we move further inland, we will see these showers developing, but they'll be more in the south, although some of those falls are expected to be in the single digits, so not too much there. On Sydney waters, winds up to 20 knots, seas at 1.5 metres. And tomorrow it's going to be a third day of hazardous surf right down the coastline. Now, looking to tomorrow, we are going to be seeing sunny conditions throughout. There is going to be a slight increase in the temperatures. In terms of those temperatures, we'll be seeing 19 degrees in the city and then 20 degrees in the west, sunrise at 6:57. Now, looking to the week ahead, we're going to be seeing this high pressure system that's dominating a lot of the forecast. But by next week, we will be seeing some mild troughs developing just off the coastal fringe. And by early next week, we'll be seeing a series of cold fronts. And that system will be bringing strong winds and also wet weather, Juanita.
Thanks, Lara. Lee Sales is here now with 7:30.